If you're facing issues with your Google business profile, especially you need to do some extra steps to make your phone number live. For that, I'll show how to appeal for the phone number. Open your Google business profile, click on edit profile and go to contact tab. Try to add phone number here. Here you might encounter 4 errors. Your edit is pending. It usually takes up to 10 minutes to be reviewed. Your edit is pending. It usually take up to 3 days to be reviewed. And your edit is pending. It usually take up to 30 days to be reviewed and not approved. If your wait is over and your edit is not approved or in still pending, we can appeal for this. Before that, we have to have a small check once. Go to Google Business Profile settings, advanced setting, scroll a bit down and check whether the phone number don't show customer your phone number on your business profile. Make sure to turn off, don't turn it on. And now click on three dots and help and support. Scroll a bit down and click on contact us. Under which business do you need help with? Select your business. Under tell us what we can help with. Type your phone number. Now choose the best description of the issue. Fixed phone number doesn't show. Click on next. You will be getting some contact options. Select email. Select the country you are located in. Especially in India, some extra steps are taken to make sure the phone number is accurate. Select phone review request for India. Then you will get a form for submitting Indian phone number appeal. Please make sure to double check the email and switch the account if this isn't the account associated with your issue. If you have already submitted phone review request for this business profile, select yes if you have or no if you haven't. I'm appealing for the first time, so I selected no. Are you the official representative company, organization or account? Select yes as you are. And did you read the Google My Business quality guidelines? And can you ensure that your business profile and phone number is in compliance? Yes. Have a look at the guidelines if you haven't. Fill out the first name. Google automatically takes the email associated account details. Modify if required. What is your email address? Enter the email associated with the Google business profile. Make sure to copy exact the same with the business name. Here the website field is optional. If you have a website, you can paste it here and make sure to use the same phone number listed on your business profile. Under where do you manage your business profile? Select on I manage my business profile directly on search on maps. It is asked for business profile ID. For this, go to Google business profile, click on three dots, click on business profile settings and then advanced settings. Copy the business profile ID and paste it here. Now add the phone number which you are trying to add to your Google business profile. Now you need to attach the copies of these documents. Some of the business registration documents or license like GST, PAN, business registration, business license, displaying owner name, business name and business address and utility bills associated with the phone number, which is not more than 2 months old for any service provider like electricity bill, telephone bill, postpaid mobile phone, piped gas or water bill. These documents prove that your business genuinity and existence. We need to prove our ownership in order to prove that we are genuine and doing a legitimate business. Here we are having three options to upload files. You need to upload documents here and you can upload zip file as well. And if you want to update phone numbers for 10 or more profiles, click yes or else no. Double check everything. Make sure that the number you give matches the number on your official business website. Attach copies of official documents with the same number you give. Avoid sending sensitive documents. If you attach copy of utility bills, make sure that they show the same number and they are recent. And submit the form. Then you will be getting a case ID. You can expect a response from the Google support team within 7 to 14 days. And also make sure that you create citations with same name, address and phone number on some platforms. Thank you.